Right, my lord?
Yeah.
All right, today I'm checking out Whose Line Is It Anyway? I'm watching Sound Effects Noah. Let's get into it.
Stand over here. We'll give you a microphone, and Ashley, here's your microphone. Kimberly and Ashley, you're going to really help us out in the scene. These guys are going to do a scene for us, and you're going to provide the sound effects. Kimberly's going to provide the sound effects for Colin, and Ashley's going to provide the sound effects for Ryan. And the scene is, Ryan is Noah, and Colin is...
His wife.
Mrs. Noah, yeah. Colin knows his role at every scene. Now they get the message to build and load the ark just before
Noah's
the
Ark.
big storm hits. So take it away, and you guys are going to do the sound effects one.
What was that? Huh? What was that, dear?
Sorry.
Oh,
I'm expecting rain soon.
why? What have you heard? I'm hungry.
Really? Well, go cook up one of those goats first. There's 3 over there anyway.
I hate when they make the noise just as you cut their head off.
I know. Honey, we're going to have to collect 2 of every animal and get them on the ark I'm about to build before the rain starts. And we haven't got much time, so I'm going to build a very small ark.
All right. Do you need some help?
Would you mind?
All right.
Get some lumber for me, would you?
Well, I'll just cut down this tree.
All right. Don't use the hose. Use the axe.
Well, it's not like I've ever done it before. Maybe you should put the blade on. Yes.
Crick, 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 crick.
I got a crick. Oh, you got it. All right, now go assemble all the animals. I want all of them.
All right. Ducks. Oh, okay, cows. Boy, those cows are
animals.
They're bossy, the cows. They just keep butting in line.
Was that thunder? Boom!
No. No, I think it was the band next door practicing for...
I thought I felt a drop of rain. Good, you got the mice. Get them aboard.
Oh, here comes some hippos. We better get some throat lozenges.
I don't got time for the...
Yo, this is so much better now that I know what's going on. Now I know it's random people from the audience who are, you know what I mean? Like, they make sound effects like random people. They don't make sound effects like comedians or artists who sound effects are terrible. That's the whole point of it. That's the whole point of what makes it funny. So they're like ad-libbing from the terrible sound effects. Some of theirs are actually pretty good. I forget which ones. But they actually had some, not the axe, not the thunder. No, they had a couple, though, that were spot on.
Just put them on the log. We'll get them all on the log. And we'll float away.
Well, we need a bigger log.
Who's Noah and who's Noah's wife? I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. Give us a kiss.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You notice I've been practicing my ventriloquism so I can talk while we're kissing.
That's great. All right. All the animals seem to be aboard, except
The unicorn.
go find 2 unicorns.
Look at the sheep with the cone attached to his head. He's trying to fool us.
Good enough. Get it on.
Oh, that's thunder.
That time it was. We've got them all. I think 3 alligators.
We better hurry. The wind's picking up. I hope that's the wind.
Quick, onto the log. Don't sit on any of the animals.
It can't sit anywhere without...
Noah, what are you... Oh, my God, it's floating off by itself. We have no way of getting away now.
Look, that!
What is that?
No, I meant the thing beside it.
Oh. This is never going to work. I guess we're going to die.
Well, that seems awfully harsh.
I guess it's the way the Lord intended it. Right, my lord?
Yeah.
That was a good ending. That was one of my favorite sound effects, right, my lord? Yeah.
Never gonna work. I guess we're going to die.
Well, that seems awfully harsh.
I guess it's the way the Lord intended it. Right, my lord?
Yeah.
It's still funny even the second time around. It's like the way I remember her saying yeah it was a little bit different than she actually said it. So you play the second time around and you still get a little bit of surprise factor because the voice was just so perfect, so funny. Yeah, like what? That's ridiculous. When they were kissing, you know, I was on the same page as them. When they were kissing, they're like, oh yeah. Kissing sound effects? That sounds like you're doing a little bit more than kissing, okay? I ain't never heard anybody kissing to me. Oh yeah, I never kissed anyone in the middle like, oh yeah. Like one person's doing kissing sound effects, the other person was doing the nasty, okay? The nasty sound effects, something like that. But that was a good one. That was good.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. Who to go? She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.